The final myth. Total computer system security is a priority in all cases. You don't allow for compromises. It's all or nothing. You're rarely this rigid with other everyday issues, but security-wise, you're unwilling to make any concessions. Companies demand warranties from security experts that there won't be any intrusions. Money is not an issue, they should add, but they rarely do. As we said before, security does not come hand in hand with functionality. All extra percentage points added to security equal bigger impediments and less convenience for users. As you can see, Eisenhower summed it up similarly. If you want total security, go to prison. There you're fed, clothed, given medical care, and so on. The only thing lacking is freedom. That's all for now. Thank you.